Today's video is going to be yet another video in the Catch-Up Battle Box series where we're looking at some battle boxes that I missed in 2023 due to other circumstances. And this one is Mission 104, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. And as I say, we're going to take another look at a battle box today that I missed in 2023, Mission 104. And I think it's a good idea to do this for three reasons. One, because a lot of people ask me to. Two, because it kind of helps you get a deeper understanding or deeper knowledge of what you might expect if you decide to check out a battle box. And three, I usually or very often find something that I didn't even know existed that turns out can be very useful, and maybe you will too. So that's the third reason, just kind of introduce you to some new stuff. So with that being said, first, let me introduce you to this video's sponsor, Hog Holsters. Today's video is sponsored by Hog Holsters. Hog Holsters are made in the USA in Arizona, and they are without a doubt the most comfortable concealable holster I've ever tested. You can save 10% on your order at Hog Holsters by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. That's hogholsters.com. Thanks to Hog Holsters for sponsoring today's video. Okay, without further rambling, let's get to looking what's in this here battle box. And if you're not familiar with battle box, they're a mystery box, which means you give them some money and they send you some stuff and you don't know what it is. It's a mystery. There's 4 levels of the regular battle box, and at each level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. So that's Mission 104 anyway. They give you a little mission brief to tell you what's in here. So let's see. The first level box is the basic box, and you pay the least amount of money for that one. It's the lowest price box, and you get the least stuff compared to the other ones too. So that's kind of how it works, right? So we've got the first item is these Mountain Ops Enhanced Hydration 20 on-the-go packs of lemonade, and these are to replete your all sorts of electrolytes and other vitamins and minerals that you might need for getting dehydrated, because just drinking water is not enough. I'm sure you know that. I know it from personal experience. So, and there's 20 packs in here, and each pack has a whole bunch of good stuff in it. So that's the Mountain Ops Hydrate packs. Really cool there. The second thing, let's see if I can find it. The second item in the basic is this Field and Stream Total Camping Manual. And honestly, this is one of those books that I'm not a big fan of this style book. They have they just have little information blurbs in there. There's a lot of information in there. I know. I'm just old school. I'm used to reading a book like with words and pictures in order, and these kind of get confusing. But there's a lot of good information, so there's a lot of people that would probably benefit from this. So I would probably benefit from it. It's just not as streamlined as I would like in a book. I'm not a big fan of those style books. And finally, man, I'm going to like this already because it's a fire thing. The final item in the basic box in the Mission 10, what mission is this? 104 is called a tree-free fire. And it's like a big old candle with 4 gigantic wicks in it. And I think these are like chunks of fire starter wicks. So this thing, it will burn, I don't know how long, 3 to 5 hours. Burn up to 8 inches tall. This portable campfire right there. So there's that. And that's the everything in the basic box. Next level box is the advanced. In advanced, you pay a little more money, you get a little more stuff. You're going to see a trend here. And what this is the Uberleben, I don't know if I can say that right, Uberleben Kessel Pot and Wax Canvas. So nice little wax canvas pouch here. So kind of a cool traditional bushcrafty kind of deal. And take it out of the plastic. Everything's wrapped in plastic. So, and it's just pretty cool. A nice little bush pot with a strainer lid on it and a pouring spout, and then it has a handle that bolts on right there. So you can take it off, store it in here. Everything goes in here, nice and neat. Pretty cool. I like stuff like that. So that's a really handy little thing to have. It's not super heavy, and just really classic gear. Next level box is the Pro Box. And the Pro Box, you get some more stuff after you pay some more money. And this month it is, oh man, good stuff. A hybrid light, Atlas 600 lantern, but wait, that's not all. And their hybrid light Journey flashlight. And this thing holds a charge up to 7 years. It's got a solar charger on it. You've seen one of these on the channel before. These are really, really good stuff. I like hybrid light, folks. No batteries ever, just an emergency flashlight or any flashlight, just a regular use flashlight. And this is a lantern. Again, no batteries to replace. You charge it, it holds a charge for 7 years, and it's got a solar panel on top. So another cool deal there from the folks at Hybrid Light. Okay, now finally, the top level is the Pro Plus, and at that level you get more stuff. Pay more money, you get more stuff. This month, the more stuff is pretty fancy, apparently. It comes in this little box, but it's something sharp, right? Usually it is, and I think that's a good thing. So this has got a fancy box. Everybody wants to be Apple now.
Chuck Norris once won an arm wrestling tournament with both arms tied behind his back.
Open it up. Presentation is everything, isn't it? So this is called the Clip Point Folding Pocket Knife. This is, Holzman calls their knives Gorilla Survival Knives. So we got a folding knife here. We have, my grammar's atrocious. We have a little sharpening stone here. It looks pretty coarse. And then we have a flipper folding knife here. Let's see how well it opens. Opens good. They got that sucker guarded too, so ooh, I bet it's sharp. It's a liner lock. Nice, good sized knife. Tip up carry. Does not look reversible. Pocket clip does not look reversible. It comes with a nice little pouch, presentation pouch. I never really understood that, but I'm not really a knife collector. I like knives, and I probably got enough to have a collection, but I'm not into the, I guess, whatever collecting them, like storing them in velvet cases and stuff. Not if you are, that's cool. Nothing wrong with that. It's just not me. I beat my stuff up. So this thing has a D2 steel blade, G10 handles, blade length of 3.58 inches, and an overall length of 8.5 inches. Opened up, really cool knife. Little red liners, nice looking knife there, and really smooth. So that's the Pro Plus box for the Mission 104. Try to pick out my coolest things. I got to say, two things that came right off the top of the bat. This is one of my favorite things. And I had an incident at a rifle training class a couple years ago in the summer where I drank a lot of water and still almost passed out because I got severely depleted in my minerals. And then the next item, my favorite, tree-free fire. I mean, that's a flame that high, man. That's so cool. And of course, I like the hybrid light. So you know what? I think this is another pretty good box. So there you go. I hope it's been helpful. I really sincerely appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.